Okay, let me share my screen. Today, it would be a practical class only, um, right? And also, we have missed one topic in record level, like record sharings. I mean, yeah, record access and visibility. That is the teams, like how we can share the records by using teams. So we have seen OWT, role hierarchy, right? And sharing rules, manual sharing. Public groups also we have seen. Queues also we have seen. Today we will see about teams, how we can share the records by using teams. And the next one is record pages. So we will cover we will do record pages like practical session and record types as well. So from Monday we will freshly start the flows. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. As we know, like by default, every object having in OWE, if you put private, um, like we need to extra keys to share the records to users. Those are like manual sharing, sharing settings, role hierarchy. The same way we can use the teams. Just a minute. Amal! So yeah, so let's see like how like what is the importance of teams. So usually we will have the three different teams, uh, like case teams, opportunity teams, and account teams. Right, where we can see them. Like what is the teams? Like what is the meaning of the teams here in Salesforce? If you go to the account, okay, let me go to the account record. So like in general organization or for example in our case in our project, so let's say here account is hospital, right? So in the particular hospital we were having the different you know they will allocate the kind of team like manager, okay, sales rep. So I will show you like where we can see them. First of all, we have to enable teams, account teams, on our org. Then we will get this option, account teams option on the related section, okay, related tab. So how you can enable that? Just go to setup, type account teams. Yes, account teams. So here I was already enabled. Okay, that's why I cannot see that. But usually it will be like this. Let me open different org. Mm, we'll see. Yeah, let me open different org. Yeah. So if I type account, this is the different org, okay, which I was not enabled. Why it's taking time to load. Yeah, you see this, you will see like this. So if you click on this, you can able to um, you will get the option like checkbox to enable it, and just click on save, right? Like once you enable the account teams, right, in the account object, in the account record, right, in the related section, related tab, you will see this uh, related list, account teams. Let me remove this, delete. Okay, so I was enable that, and if you click on this team roles, you will see the default team roles like account manager, channel manager, executive sponsor, lead qualifier. Like these are the different roles we know, like sales rep, sales manager. So as I mentioned earlier, right, for every account should have the like sales rep. Okay, that sales rep has manager. The same way account manager, like we can define like whatever role is required based on our requirement. Okay, you can deactivate them and you can also add new one. This is like a pick list, right? You can deactivate and you can add new one based on your project requirement. So I'm just going with the default one right now. Mm, okay, you can disable it and you can also replace the team's existing team roles. Okay, you can replace that. Let's see how it works in real time. For example, if I go to this account, let me go to another like, yeah, this is one of the account, right? Uh, which account I was created. I'm the owner of this account. Okay, if you go to this account team, so yeah, like account team here, we know like the group of people who are belongs to this account, they work for this account, they work for this hospital. They are the responsible persons. I mean, they are the POCs, point of contact for this particular hospital, right? 1 minute. So if I yeah, here you can see the two options. One is add default team, another one is add team members. If I click on this, I will see like user, team role, and the account access, case access, opportunity access, right? If I click on this user, I will get the users. Krishna Teja. I'm just selecting the Krishna Teja. So he is a sales rep. Okay, sales rep. I can select this role, and I'm just giving the read-only access for this, like for this sales rep. So save it, right? It is saved. Which now, like Krishna Teja, like should not like. Let's assume earlier Krishna Teja do not have access for this account. Now we are added him as a teammate, so that obviously Salesforce gives the access to this, Krishna Teja. We'll see like how access is getting to Krishna Teja. I told you right yesterday. I mean last few classes. You can log in as Krishna Teja to see this account. But if you go to this sharing option, right? Sharing option, you will get the more clarity, like how he is getting the access. So it's not about this team, right? Account team. He may get access from other ways also, like manual sharing, or also role hierarchy, or also sharing roles. So we can get the full detail here if you go to this sharing hierarchy. So here this account is accessible for this particular users, right? So here I want to check for only Krishna Teja. So Krishna Teja is getting read-only access, cases private and opportunities are private, which means he cannot access cases and opportunities for this particular account. Okay. Now just click on view. You will get the full clarity, like full detail, like how he is getting access. So he's getting access from three settings. Like one is he is one of the like these two are from the sharing rule because he was added into this two groups, GHS Global Marketing and GHS Visual. We have discussed these two, like how we are, we discussed about the sharing settings, right? And I think day before yesterday class. Now this one, Krishna Teja, he's like reason for access is account team and the relationship shelf and read only. So like we just added him as a account team member, right? That's why it is showing like this. So now you understand like how like the account team by by using account teams also we can able to share the record. Okay, this is one of the way. People usually don't discuss about this one, but just keep in mind account team is also by using teams also we can able to share the record to but look like to different users. Okay, now we'll go to the account again. We have seen one more option, right? So here you see like this option is for adding individual users, and we can pick the user, we can assign the particular role to that user, and finally we can save it. Okay, so other way is add default team. So what add default team is, okay, uh, so you have to enable some other setting. So it's just I click on I haven't added. Okay, let me remove this. Let me remove this once again. Delete it. Okay, if I click on this, see this automatically Krishna Teja was added automatically. I haven't selected him manually. Okay, I haven't assigned the role. It is automatically added. So we have to, instead of adding manually one by one, you can also set up. Okay, you can also set up for you know for your accounts, the accounts which are owned by you. You can select the default teams. So when you click on this default team button, automatically users will be added into the account team. So how you can set up this default team, right, for the accounts? You need to go to like here I am the account owner. I am only can able to add the you know default like add default team, and like here I am the account owner, so I have to go to the my user record to enable like to add the default team. We click on the user details. So here, yeah, here you have to click on settings. No need to go to the user record, just click on the settings, and left side you will see advanced user details. If you click on that option and scroll down, in there is a you know teams option, right? Yeah, here. So default account team. So when I click on that button, you observe, right? Krishna Tejas was added automatically because I was added him as a default team account. For example, if I add one more guy, let's say I'm adding Shubham Sharma, right? So I'm giving access read write, and opportunity access also some read only, not private. And the role I'm giving as sales manager. Okay, let's see how it works. Now my default account, I'm having two members. One is Krishna Tej as sales rep, and then one sales manager is Shubham. I'm Shubham Sharma for sales manager. So like what are the records owned by me? Like what are the accounts owned by me? Like when I click on the default account team, these two users will become. For example, if I go to any account, right? I'm selecting this account. So here Shubham Sharma is the account owner, right? If I click on this button, mm, so I want to add the default team. So just let me will I can able to see those two users when I click on this button? Let me know. You can turn turn on. You can unmute yourself and no, it's not correct. See, see, like Shubham has to set up the account team, default account team for himself. So we have set up for myself. Okay, when I click on this button, you will get an error. Ask the record owner to set up an default account team. So he is the record owner, right? He only can able to set up like his default account team. So if I go to, okay, he has to set up. Yes, he has to set up. Okay, we cannot set up for him, for himself. Okay. Now if I go to another account, I'm the owner of this account. Now I can able to add the default team. See this? Krishna Dejan Subham Sharma, right? Sales rep and sales manager. Let's see the sharing of this account. How access, like how account is getting shared to them, and view sharing hierarchy. So we have already seen about the Krishna Deja. Now I'm going for the Shubham Sharma. Shubham Sharma is a administrator, so like uh, he's getting the uh, like administrator access and owner. Reason for access owner, like relationships manager of owner, which means my manager is Shubham Sharma. Like why I'm saying my here, I'm the record owner of this account. Okay, if I go to my for example, yeah, mm, what is that account? See this reporting manager is Shubham. Like here role hierarchy also Shubham Sharma is in hierarchy actually. Okay, he's a CEO I guess or some VP sales rep I guess in role hierarchy. So obviously he will get okay. He's the manager, and the next one is he's account team. Okay, he's account team. Okay, read write. We have given read write access for him, and he's also into this uh, into these groups actually. Global marketing team, global marketing team. Okay, and why he's getting like this? So, for example, if one of his employee, one of his, for example, if I open the role hierarchy, we'll see. Let's open his account. He is manager actually. Okay, if you see this hierarchy, so he is in this position. So obviously can able to see the records which are created by the below hierarchy users. So definitely you will get if any one of for example if you see this manager of group member, which means if Krishna Teja into this group, okay, and Krishna Teja's manager is Shubham Sharma, obviously Shubham Sharma will also get access. That is the reason manager of group member. So one of the group members manager, this mean the same way he is into this group. You observe the difference. Group member means he is directly into this group, and also manager of group member means one of his one of the like users manager. Man, sharing role hierarchy, telling that only, right? Yes, yes. You see this manager of group member. Mm. The relationship. Yes, yes. If he is directly in this case, he is into that group. Okay, and here in this case, one of his under subordinate having access, having into that group. That's why. Okay, this is also same. And manager of user. And Krishna Teja is getting access, right, because he is into the account team. So obviously, this manager will also get. who is the manager? Shubham Sharma. So this you observe, like you understand this relationships, right? Group member means direct group member. Manager of group member is one of his, subordinate into the group. So obviously he will get the access. Manager of user means, so his user like his subordinate having the access. So obviously he will also get. Okay, that is about the teams. I think this is the new for you guys, right? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. The same way we will also having the opportunity. Yeah. The same way we will have having the opportunity. Yeah, opportunity teams. Yeah, this one. So you have to enable the opportunity team uh, ceiling. Yeah, and you need to pick this page layout. So you observe now, like in the account page layout, we are getting the accounts team related list. The same way, we also have to pick the page layout. If you want to add that every page layout, you can select that. Okay, I'm selecting opportunity layout only. Yeah, let's see. Let before enabling that, let's go to opportunity and see whether it is there or not. Is there? Is it enabled? Yeah, it's enabled. Yeah, you see this option disable team selling, which means it is already enabled, right? That's why we are getting the opportunity teams here. So it's the same concept. Add default team and opportunity team members. Okay, I don't need to explain like everything again. So I'm just going to the case team. So case team is also same, but you have to go to case teams. The concept is same actually. Case team roles. You need to create a role actually. So in account team and opportunity, we were having the default roles, right? Account manager, sales rep, and all. But here you can create your own roles. For example, I want to create some, you know, um, support agent. Case access, I'm giving read, right? Okay. Once you created a case role, you just go to predefined case teams. Here you have to, now you have to uh, test a case team. I'm just giving the teams actually. So you will have the multiple teams you can define. So here I can add user contact. So I'm adding user only. So contact means contact is like here user is a person. Okay, and like user can be a sales rep or account manager or no, I mean user can be a sales rep or account manager or any service agent, service manager, right? The person from the Salesforce organization. Contact means the person from the hospital. Okay, contact is also person but not belongs to the GHS. It belongs to hospital or account. Okay, you can also add that person. Okay, now you can pick any user. I'm selecting Krishna Teja and a manager. Like we have created role set, you can pick that supporting agent I was picking. Okay, like once you added, right, just go to any case. In the cases, you can go to related section. I mean related tab. Where is that? Oh, refresh. We just now we have seen na. Let me go to any other case. Let me log off and log in. Sorry. Case team. So just now have seen that option before open classes. Yeah, yeah, we'll see. No, just before I just closed the tab actually. Where is that case comment? My God, these are the accounts. Okay, let's go into class. We'll see. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. I'm not the owner. Case is not came. Team is not came. Okay. Service manager. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Predefined cases. Edit. Save. Okay. Everything is correct only. Some, I think, I feel like, yeah, I don't want. Yeah, we'll see. Like, I will check it after the class, like why it is not coming. So it will, I think it's taking time and wasting our time actually. I will check that. That is about the teams in Salesforce. By using Teams also, you can able to share the record access to other users, right? And the next one is record types. Um, so record types in Salesforce. So if you see like in our project, if you go to the account, so there are different accounts as I mentioned. So we are like yesterday also have discussed about this thing, right? So we are storing different account details into our Salesforce, right? In the account object. So like the record type is the type of account you can say you can remember like record type means the type of like in account it's a type of account, so it could be a government account or hospital account. So we are just segregating the different types. So each record type having the, so we have to page loads are, we are having the page loads, right? For each page load we will assign it to that record type. For example, this is one record, I mean one account type, this is another account type. Let's say this one is government account, this one is some hospital, this one is distributor or something, right? So as we know, like we are having the different fields. So government having the specific fields. If I go to the document and if I scroll down, see government having the list of specific fields. Okay, when you create a new account, like for example, you are trying to create a government account, you no need to fill other fields details like hospital details is not required. Laboratory details is, those fields are not necessary. So you need to fill about the government fields and the default fields, the common fields for the each account, right? So how you can define that? So when you click on that, uh, when you go to the account, so here I'm directly, so when you click on the new button, so I'm not like we should, system should ask which account should be created since we are having the different types. So that is called the record type. Like we will segregate the type of records. I mean, segregating the different type of records. So data will be stored on the account object only, but in the user uh, interface, like in the UA perspective, we will ignoring the other fields. Okay. So basically, record types are using for the differentiating the different use records and also assigning the different page layouts or record pages. For example, if I here I have the government account, right? So the page load should be different. I should only show government related fields. So we have to create a different page load. That page load has to be assigned to record type. The same way for hospital, we will have the hospital record type, and then and we are having the hospital page load. That hospital page load will be assigned to that hospital record type. Okay, and also we can control the pick list values by using the record types. So let's take the common field. Uh, 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 let's take um, I need a pick list. Okay, what I can select. Yeah, I'm just thinking. For example, we're having the same pick list. So there is a pick list. Maybe there is a pick list. We're having the list of values. Okay. For example, the values are like A and this. Okay, let me remove this. Yeah. See, there is a pick list called some X, some characters. So this is a pick list. Just assume it's an example. Okay, it's a general example, not related to our project or anything. So we're having the different characters A, B, C, D. We know pick list, right? Drop down values. In Salesforce, we call it as a pick list. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Um, so as we have different account types now, for example, government account type. For government account type, I need only AB. Okay. So when you create the government account type, you select the characters as A and B. CDC is not required. Okay. For hospital record type, you no need of AB. CD is required. So we are controlling the pick list values as well. Okay. I will show you in real time this one. So based on the record type only, you can able to control the pick list values. Let's see. Let's create the record types now. Okay. Mm, let's go to the record types. I will create one few record types. What are the record types? Yeah, this one. Government and public health. So you can go to record type is just click on object manager and go to account, and here go to record types. So I do not have any record type now. New. Okay. Mm, I need this in government public institution. I will put in small letters. Okay. Mm, Active. Now you will see the profiles. You can assign the record types to the particular profile. If you want sales reps, like you can control, like for example, if I don't give the access to the profile, for example, I don't give the access to this record type to sales profile, right? You cannot able to select the record type. Okay. So profile level access is also necessary. Okay. Next. So here like it's asking the page layouts. So we will create the page load also. Before creating the record type, we will create the page load as well. So we are creating this part now. I mean this part. This is the record type, and we are creating this part, UA part. Mm, Hope you guys are following. So we are having the some existing page loads. I will going with the different the new page load, because we need page loads also in our project now. So if you go to this, if you scroll down, you will see the page layout information here. Government account specific page layout. This is government account page layout name. Let me put the same. So new or yeah, existing page load. We can clone this page load name. Okay, let me give the small letters. Government account specific layout. Okay, save. So you will get the list of fields and all. So I will configure these fields later. because it takes time. I need to create the fields and all. So as of now, I'm just creating the page load and will assign that page load to record type. So here if I need to refresh the page. Okay, and the name should be, what is the name? Somewhere we pasted. Yes, right. Okay. Mm. So I'm giving access to every profile. So every profile can select this record type. Next. Okay, now I can able to see my page load which recently created. Okay. So every profile I'm giving access to this page load as well. Save. And record type, and now it will ask you the pick list values. Here you see this example, right? So there is a characteristic field, so having the ABCD as a values, so we can control these values into a particular record types. For example, if you see this, these are the different pick list. For example, if I want to control SLA, so SLA having these are the record, I mean these are the values. Okay, we'll go to the different one. Mm, mm, mm. Rating, customer variety. What is account source? Okay, I want to control the account source. Okay, I want to keep only mm, partner. No, I want to keep only two values. We will observe the behavior. Okay, okay, done. It's done now. It's active. Done. Let's see. Let's try to create the new account. New. It is not asking. Else we will also create one more. Yeah, we will create one more record type. Then it will ask hospital and medical centers. Mm, better to keep only one name. What is the page left? Yeah, hospital account fields. I'm keeping the hospital record type only. Hospital record type. Hospital's record type. So record types. Mm, hospitals record type. Okay, and active, and giving access to all profiles. Going next. And yeah, before going that, I will create a page load as well. New page layout. I will see. Let me clone, or else what is the name for this specific account layout? Okay. Okay, I will create hospital account page layout. So selecting account page layout. Okay, save. Already exist. Is it exist? Yeah, it's already there. Okay, let's create record type now, and let's make the consistency names. So here, government and public institution. Okay, no, I will use hospital only. Hospitals. I don't want to use. Okay, let's assigning this to every profile, and let's go to next. So here I can select the hospital page layout. Okay, and then save. Okay, now I will get again pick list editing. So I will take only these three. Okay, I'm just removing these two. Okay, save. Right, let's see. We have two record types and both are active. New, yes, you will see the difference. Now, earlier it is not asking. It was not asking, right? By default, the page edit like the form is getting open and we used to fill the fields. Now it is asking the type of hospital, type of account. So if I select the government and public institute, right? So this page layout is government and public institute page layout. If you go to the account source, see this, I can see only two values, web and phone inquiry, okay, as a pick list values for account source, right? If I go to the hospitals, this is the hospital page layout. And if I go to the account source, you will see the different options. So this way also you can able to, by using record types, you can able to control the pick list values. This is one of the important, interview question. Definitely, they will test your real-time knowledge. Okay, this is about the record type. You will like to differentiate the uh, record records in account or any object. We will use the record types. So for the record types, we will assign the different page layouts. Okay, by using record types, you can also control the pick list values. Okay, so if you go through the document, you can start creating the record types as well. Okay, first you have to create a fields list of fields, and then um, like page layouts, and then record types. Okay, I will also create in myself in my arc by this weekend. I will try to create everything so that next time we can refer, like we can make a scenarios directly in the project, right? uh, yeah, that is about the uh, record types. So the same way you can also assign the record types to page layouts. I mean, page layouts we're assigning, right? The same way you can also assign to record pages as well. I mean, lightning record pages as well. So in profile, yeah, that is also we will see. So if you go to the profile, right, and I want to, yeah, this is the sales profile. So in sales profile, you will see record types as well. Yeah, record type settings. Okay, if you click on this edit, so per particular this sales profile having these two type of record types. Okay, they can able to select, they can able to use these two type of record types. You can control in the profile level. Okay, and the say, and you can also assign the page layout to particular record types in simple way. Just go to page layouts, just click on the page layout assignment. You will see three combinations basically. Like one is profiles, record types, and page layouts. So earlier we have seen the record types. If you remember, we have seen only profile and the page layout. Now you can see the particular record type. What is the record? I mean, what is the page layout? So, but if you see, if you go to the system administrator, right? So I'm using the account layout. Okay, for the master, like default layout is account layout. But when I select the government public institution, this page layout will be, you know, selected by default. The same for hospital. You can select, you can change this. Okay, you can change this behavior. How you can change is page load assignment. If you want to change, you can change here. So click on edit assignment. For example, identity user, I don't want to use the government account specific layout, right? So what you can do is just select the cell and select this option drop down. You can select account layout, okay, and save it. So for the particular account identity user profile, uh, layout will be changed. I mean, page load will be changed to the particular account, particular record type. When they select the government and public institution, they can still able to see this account layout only, not the government account specific account layout. You understand? You can edit the assignments. Okay, by click on the page load assignments, you will see you will get the option to edit the assignments. Right? That is about the record types, Salesforce. And the next one is record pages. By actually, we have discussed the record pages yesterday, but I want to complete one practical scenario. But yeah, I will go through. I will just go one by just show the high level information. So I haven't shown you the like how to create the record page, right? So how you can create is click on any record. For example, for account, just click on this gear icon, edit page. After click on the gear icon, you will see the edit page option. Just click on it. Now just wait a second. It will take time to load. So it will open the Lightning App Builder, right? So you can by default it will give the account record page, but you can give your own record page. For example, I want to let's see the document. I have added the record pages also. Yesterday we have discussed like what is the importance of the record pages. Okay, for example, I pick this. So for every page load, like for every record type or every account type, we are having the different record pages as well. Okay, so I want to give that API name. Okay, just you can do what you can do is just put underscores. Okay, now you will see record page is not enabled yet. How you can confirm that? Just go to account object in object manager. Just go to account and you will see the lightning record pages after page layouts. For this, there is no for account we haven't created any record pages. So now we are creating actually. So I got this given this name for government hospitals. I mean government account view pages for a government record type actually government account record type. Just click on save. So it will ask you the activation. Okay, just click on activate. So now it will ask you the settings. Org default. When I select this right, org as default. Okay, for every application, um, display all the account records except the app default record types are specific. So every like in like this whole application, this record type will be like this record type, this record page will be selected. So okay, I'm not going this option because I don't want to this record page as a default for every application. For example, if you go to the sales also we are having the account and service also we are having account, right? Same account. So when I want to show the different page record pages for different applications. I don't want to keep the same for all. So that so if you want to keep the same, you can assign this option the same way, assign as default. So even you control, right, for the particular application. For example, if I go to the third option, we usually use this option only in real projects. So if you click on this option, it will ask you like here I'm having the different lightning apps, 18 apps are having. So I want like where you want to use this record page. I want to use this record page for the sales application only, right? Right now I want to use this for sales. So just select sales. Okay, and next. And it's asking both phone and desktop having the same record page. So I'm selecting this one. If you want to keep for desktop only, you can select this. If you want to keep only for phone, you can select this. Right now I'm selecting both. So like right, already yesterday we have discussed. So by using record pages, we can also control. We can also customize phone version and desktop version. Okay, that is the reason we are having these options. Now I'm assigning this government record type. Okay, the same way we have assigned for page load, you can also assign the record pages to the record types. Okay, next. So here we are getting the profile selections. I'm assigning it for system administrator and sales users. Where is that sales? Yes, GH sales. Okay, just click on next. You will see the review. So we are assigning this record page to sales and the record type is government and profile is system administrator and sales profile. So for both desktop and phone. Okay, save. Okay, save again, saved. Now we will make some change on this page. So yesterday I have discussed one point, right? If we go to the detail, yesterday we have discussed one thing. So here I am not able to control the each record, each page, each field basically. So how you can do that? You have to upgrade this. So you have to upgrade this page to dynamic forms. Just upgrade it. Okay. Next, it is asking the default, like from where we will get all the fields. So I'm just selecting the account layout because account layout having all the fields, right? Just finish it. Now you will see you know, the option to control each field. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I just want to show you a difference. Okay. What I'm doing is uh, 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 okay. I'm controlling this field. Okay. I'm controlling this field. Add visibility. I want to show this field only for system administrator. Mm. So advanced select. So here you have to select user. From user you have to select the profile. Where is profile? Profile. Yeah, profile. Okay, from profile you can select profile ID or name. I'm going with the name. Done and equals. Okay, I want to use it for. Okay, let's go with this. Like, what is my condition? I want to show this field to only system administrator. Okay, or else I don't want to show this uh, field to sales profile users. Okay, sales profile user. Then this is just an example to understand the record page, right? Okay, okay, changes are saved. Let's go to. I'm the system administrator. I'm going to open any account. Let me create a new account first. Government public institution. Okay, I'm just giving name as a government account. Okay, and here I can able to see this field and saving it. It's a required web annual revenue. What is this? Okay, 3Y. Yeah. Okay. You see this? I'm the account owner. I can able to see this annual revenue, and also there is record owner, a record type, but it was not added on the page layout. That's just the reason I cannot see that record type. So usually we will also add this. Okay, this is the account. Now let me log in as Krishna Teja. He is the system. I mean sales rep, right? Okay. Mm, yeah, he is able to access this account. Okay, he is able to access this account. We'll see like how is accessing this account. We'll see that later. Now you see this, he cannot able to see that the field account, I mean revenue. He cannot. He is unable to see that because in the dynamic form we controlled. Okay, we added the criteria to display only for the profiles which are not sales reps. Okay, so my profile was system administrator. I can able to see that, but Krishna Tej is not a I mean he is a sales rep. Okay, that is like we can control that way. Let's go to the surveys. I don't think he has access because okay, we'll go to any other application. From there we can try to open account. We'll see. Now you see this. I can able to see the annual revenue. I mean, Krishna is able to see the annual revenue. Can anyone guess like why he is able to see this? Like what we did in record type setting? Hmm. No, no. Before users also Krishna Teja. I mean, before also like see like yeah, in the page layout assignment, if you observe that, sorry, in the record page assignment, okay, we added the particular record page account, I mean government account record page only for sales application, not for other applications. So that's why when I open this account from the Salesforce charter application, this is also application, right? When I open this app, like account from this application, uh, it is not a record page basically. So it's a page layout. Okay, it's not a record page. So our record page is only assigned for sales application. That is the reason here he is able to see that. Okay, yeah, hope you understand now. I will open, I will show you the record page setting, assignment settings. Let's how you can open that. Just go to uh, object manager. From object manager, go to accounts. So for my accounts, lightning record pages. So here we have only one. Click on this. Click on edit, and no need of go to edit. You can also here. You see this. This record page is only assigned to. You see the assignment for this application, and this is the record type. This is the profiles. Okay. When I open this when I open the account from this application, so every application having the account record, we can open account from any like any application, right? So when I open the account from this application, uh, account revenue, that account revenue field will be hidden for Krishna Teja. Okay, when I open the account from different application other than sales, you can able to see that account revenue, right? Because we are opening that account from different application. Okay, that's all about that's all about the record pages. I hope you guys have started doing the project implementation. I will check, um, every week I will have some audit. Every like you, I will check your args, like how, like what is the progress and all. I did not send to you. I sent to you, no? You're not there? Yeah, you make it mail. Yes, yes, you have to check. Okay, I will share in the WhatsApp group also. No issues. Just start implementing the project as well. Okay, so that I can have a audit weekly once, like to know the progress. So every scenario we covered actually. So for record pages, there are some interesting scenarios you will see. So minimal fields. Okay. So here update the lightning record page for free creation. Use the same lightning record page and create the new sections to visible only for new account creation. For example, like what is the use of this? Like what is this requirement is? For example, when I creating this here, when I create any account, right? We click on this new button. I need to select. If I go to the government public instruction institution, I need to select each field. Okay, each like you may need to enter each field value, but you have to scroll. Like in real time, there are so many fields, not only these limited fields. Okay, these are the standard or very few fields, right? In real time, you will have the so many fields. So at the time of creation, you don't need to fill all the fields. Okay, my business wants to keep only limited fields. Okay, I just need a few, like only few required or necessary fields to fill in at the time of creation. So how you can achieve that scenario, right? This is about that. This scenario is talking about that. Okay, just try this one. I'm like can confidently say like you never get any this kind of scenarios. I'm just collecting these scenarios from real-time project. Okay, just utilize this. Just go through this document. It will be very helpful for you. You understand? Okay. You just take. Sorry, page layout. Yes, yes, yes. In page layout settings, right? Hmm. Yeah, correct, correct. I was added and removed actually to, you know, class to show you in the class. Then I forgot. You're correct actually. We need to add manually for the case. For opportunity and account, you don't need to add manually. It will be added when you enable it. Okay. Yeah, good catch. Hmm. That's all for today. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have the classes. You can utilize the time to create the project. Okay. Next week, definitely, I will go through your orgs and we will see it. I will audit it.